सङ्गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं
सङ्गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं
संवो मनांसि जानताम्
संवो मनांसि जानताम्
देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे
देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे
सञ्जानाना उपासते
सञ्जानाना उपासते
सञ्जानाना उपासते
सञ्जानाना उपासते
सञ्जानाना उपासते
सञ्जानाना उपासते।
Hari Om to one and all. Do you all know what I was doing? I was in the position of Shashank Asana. Now I am sitting in the position of Vajrasana. All these asanas are a part of an ancient art form known as yoga. Yoga is a Sanskrit word which means union of mind, body and spirit. Looking at its importance and benefits, in 2014, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi suggested the United Nations Council to celebrate 21st June as World Yoga Day or International Yoga Day. Yoga is of vital importance in an individual's life. It helps him to organize his life and achieve a fit body and peaceful mind. It combines both mental and physical disciplines to achieve a peaceful mind and body. It helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and also keeps you relaxed. It also improves flexibility, muscle strength, and also improves respiration, energy, and vitality. In these times of pandemic, we are in constant fear of infection, constant flow of negative news, and inadequacy of daily resources. Including regular practice of yoga into your daily routine can help improve immunity. It is very natural to develop anxiety when we are stuck at home for months. There is a constant flow of uncertainty about the future in our mind, which makes us very mentally unstable. And mental health is very important for survival in times like these. Including yoga activates the sympathetic nervous system, which thus helps in managing stress, anxiety, emotions, and regulation of our respiration systems. All over the world, various programs are held to celebrate this day. Yoga is a 5,000-year-old art form which is a gift to the human civilization by India. It helps to build a very strong mental, physical, and spiritual health system. The International Yoga Day has helped to promote the benefits and importance of yoga to all the places and has encouraged thousands of people to take up yoga as a regular practice. I would encourage each one of you to take some time apart from your daily routine for yoga and meditation. It will be a very big improvement and you will never regret it. Thank you.
Hi young friends, today I am going to teach you ABCD. Oh, you must be thinking how silly it is to learn ABCD at this age. So let me tell you, it's going to be very interesting for you all. So we are learning ABCD through yoga poses. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, Hope you like it. Hari Om. Thank you. Enjoy Yoga Day. International Yoga Day. Today I am going to do yoga. सुबह सवेरे उठकर करते जो भी बच्चे नियमित योग, बीमारी नापास फटकती रहते हैं वो सदा निरोग। शांत बैठकर आंख मूंद कर जो करते हैं प्राणायाम, नई ताजगी आ जाती है, पढ़ने में भी लगता ध्यान। जब चिंताएं तुमको घेरे व्याकुल सा हो जाए मन, शांत चित्त महसूस करोगे, कर लोगे जब योगासन। कौन सा आसन कब करना है सदा प्रशिक्षक को है ज्ञात। अलग अलग आसन है ढेरों, अलग अलग है इनके लाभ। बोलो अब तो कर लोगे ना सुबह सवेरे उठकर योग, सुंदर सेहतमंद रहोगे, दूर रहेंगे सारे रोग।
हरि ओम। मु योग शिक्षक विक्रम आचार्य। कोरोना महामारी समय रे योग विषय रे आपन को किसी कहवाक चाहूँगी। प्रतिवर्ष जून 21 तारिख आमर आंतर्जातिक योग दिवस आम स्कूल मानक पालन करुले, सबू एकाठी बसी शिविर माध्यम करुले, किंतु गला वर्ष ठारू ता बंद हो जाइए केवल कोरोना जोगु। ए वर्ष मध्य जून 21 तारिख रे आमर योग शिविर हो पार ना केवल कोरोना पाई। से मु आपण मानक निवेदन करी पिला मानक एवं समस्त अभिभावक मानक योग प्राणायाम करंतु, जो थे आमर शरीर रोग प्रतिरोधक शक्ति वृद्धि हेब एवं इम्यूनिटी पावर आमर बढ़, ऑक्सीजन नॉर्मल हब। तो आमर जो प्राणायाम अच्छी 8टी जहाँ स्वामी रामदेव जी कहते से 8टी मध्य आम समस्त प्राणायाम न कर तीनोटी मुख्य प्राणायाम करवा से गुड़ाक हूँ भस्त्रिका कपालभाति एवं अनुलोम विलोम ता सहित गलार गोटे प्राणायाम अच्छी उज्जाई जोटा कि 3 थर केवल आम कर। तो यही जो भस्त्रिका प्रथम कहि भस्त्रिका 3 मिनिट रु 5 मिनिट करा जाय परिबो। भस्त्रिका करिवार नियम होउची जे प्राणायाम कला बेले चक्षु बंद करी बसिबे एवं भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम केवल श्वास नबा एवं छाड़िबा। श्वास नबा छाड़िबा केमती इबळिया यही टाइप रो आमे 40 थर 50 थर करवा 3 मिनिट रु 5 मिनिट पर्यंत तापर करवा कपालभाति। कपालभाति केवल श्वास छाड़िबा एवं पेट को स्ट्रोक मारिबा जो थे आमर लिभर प्रॉब्लम दूर हेबो पेटर कौनसी बीमारी हब नाही मुखमंडल रे तेज आसीबो सब प्रकार रोग को ये कंट्रोल करिबो। एई प्राणायाम को आम 5 मिनिट रु 15 मिनिट पर्यंत करिपरिबा ताठू अधिका जदि करिपरिबा ताहले भी भलो। तापर आसला अनुलोम विलोम सेटा तो आप जानिचंती श्वास लंबा श्वास नबा एवं लंबा छाड़िबा। यही श्वास नेला बेले भी आखि बंद करी बसिबा निजर कंसंट्रेशन रखिबा माइंड को स्थिर रखिबा केवल शरीर विषय भाविबा अन्य कौनसी विषय आमर ध्यान जमती न रहिबो। यही 3टी प्राणायाम करने द्वारा आमर ऑक्सीजन लेवल को से नॉर्मल रखिबो एवं इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़िबो। कोरोना कहीं कौनसी रोग मध्य हमको आक्रांत करि परिबो नाही किंतु वर्तमान जो कोरोना महामारी समय रे यही प्राणायाम आसन करने निहाती आवश्यक। आसन भितर आमे मंडूका आसन कर परिबा पवन मुक्त आसन ता सहित उष्ट्रासन पादवृतासन ये सब आसन गुड़ाक करने द्वारा आमर सब अंग प्रत्यंग परिचालना हेब एवं आमको से शक्ति मिल। प्रतिदिन सकाल उठी आम जमी निहाती खाइबा चिंता करुचे किछि किछि खाइबा दरकार जीवन को बचाई किंतु ता पूर्व रोग को दूरेवाई आमर निहाती दरकार इच्छा नथिले आम करवा प्राणायाम आसन प्रतिदिन सकाळे अध घंटा रु 1 घंटा एवं संध्या बेले अध घंटा जमती हेले बाहर करी करवा किंतु खाइबार 2-3 घंटा परे संध्या बेले करा जाय परिबो। प्रतिदिन उषुम पानी पीवा 2 थर अति कम रे एवं उषुम पानी टिके लुण पकई टिके हलदी पकई तो गर्गलिंग कले भी आमर गलार अवस्था ठीक रहिबो। आपण माने जानिथिबे साधारणतः जे कोरोना भाइरस जदि शरीर में प्रवेश करे से गलारे 2-3 दिन पर्यंत रहे तेणु आम जदि गर्गलिंग करवा ताले सेठू ही कोरोना भाइरस को मारी परिबा। जदि नेति करि परिबा ताहले भी आउरी भलो किंतु सेटा टिके कष्ट व्यापार। जहा आम आज मु एतिकी आपण मानकु निवेदन करिवि जे प्रतिदिन सकाळ अंतत पक्षे अध घंटा घंटारे प्राणायाम करंतु एवं आसन किछि करंतु जो थे आम कोरोना को दूरे पारिबा। यही हूँ मोर आपण मानकु पुणी थरे निवेदन आसन प्राणायाम किछि करबा एक्सरसाइज करबा निहाती प्रतिदिन आवश्यक। एटा समस्त खाली पिलांक पई नुह बड़ मानक पई मध्य निहाती आवश्यक। धन्यवाद।
Surya Namaskar. Salute to the sun or sun salutation is a practice in yoga as exercise incorporating a flow sequence of 12 yoga asanas gracefully. The benefits of Surya Namaskar are it helps us to improve the functioning of digestive system, it helps in weight loss, it helps in reducing anxiety, it helps us to improve the concentration power, it helps us to maintain a good physique that is body posture, and it also helps us to keep a good heart. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Prabhave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha.
अश्वसञ्चाल आसन। ॐ भनवे नमः। पर्वतासन। ॐ खागयाय नमः। अष्टांग नमस्कार। ॐ पुशने नमः।
भुजंगासन। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। पार्वतासन। ॐ मरीचाय नमः। अश्वसंचलासन। ॐ आदित्याय नमः।
पद्महस्तासन। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। हस्त उत्तानासन। ॐ अर्कये नमः। प्रणामासन। ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
Kapalbhati, it helps to reduce carbon dioxide from the body. It helps in reducing fat from the body. Mandukasana, it helps in controlling blood sugar level. It helps in reducing stress and anxiety. Gomukhasana, it helps to strengthen the bicep and tricep. It helps to increase the range of mobility of the shoulder. Vakrasana, it helps in strengthening the upper back of the body. It helps in maintaining the shoulder balance. helps in strengthening the lungs. It helps in controlling the blood pressure level of the body. Halasana. It strengthens the shoulder and the spinal cord. It helps to calm down the brain. Brahmari. It is the best cure for stress. It soothes the nervous system. Om. It helps in gaining concentration. It helps in reducing stress and anxiety. Detoxifies the body.
मैं छोटा हूँ तो क्या हुआ, मैं भी योगा कर लेता हूँ। लंबी लंबी सांसें लेकर शरीर शुद्ध कर लेता हूँ। मैं छोटा हूँ तो क्या हुआ, मैं भी योगा कर लेता हूँ। इधर पलटकर उधर पलटकर सब आसन कर लेता हूँ। आंखें खोल जीभ निकाल से आसन कर लेता हूँ। मैं छोटा हूँ तो क्या हुआ, मैं भी योगा कर लेता हूँ। योगा करते दादा दादी, मैं उनको कॉपी कर लेता हूँ। लेट चुपचाप आँख मूंद कर सब आसन कर लेता हूँ। मैं छोटा हूँ तो क्या हुआ, मैं भी योगा कर लेता हूँ। स्वस्थ मन और स्वस्थ है तन, स्वस्थ आचरण कर लेता हूँ। देश निर्माण समाज के काम में अपना योगदान कर देता हूँ। मैं छोटा हूँ तो क्या हुआ, मैं भी योगा कर लेता हूँ। अनमोल देन ये भारत की दुनिया को एकजुट कर लेती है। आओ मिलकर करें हम योगा, यहाँ निमंत्रण देता हूँ। मैं छोटा हूँ तो क्या हुआ, मैं भी योगा कर लेता हूँ। मैं छोटा हूँ तो क्या हुआ, मैं भी योगा कर लेता हूँ।
Hari Om. Today we will show you certain yoga postures, yogasanas that are extremely helpful for students. But before we move in, certain do's and don'ts of yoga life. You might have seen certain persons doing very flexible yogas with very flexible bodies, but don't worry. Rome was not built in a day. Just keep your mind and body certain space and time, and you will be able to do all those wonderful yogasanas in a very short period of time. And also, keep your body, keep your stomach empty before and after doing yogasana. At least half an hour before and after doing yogasana, your stomach should be kept empty. If you have have high blood pressure, if you have high blood sugar, if you have backbone ailment, then you should consult the doctor before doing any yoga. So now we start. For a student, in the early morning, the body is stiff, so you have to break that stiffness. For that, we should do two asanas, Trikonasana and Hastapadasana. So we start. To break the morning stiffness of our body, we shall first do Trikonasana. Here we keep our foot, both of your legs at least 1 meter apart, and the left foot should be at right angle with respect to the right foot. Then we should touch our left feet with our left hand. We do it like this. First, our legs 1 foot apart, left foot at right angle with our right foot. Then breathe out and try to touch your left feet with your left hand. Right hand raised, pointed upwards, and all the times try to look upwards. Try to stay in this posture for 10 seconds. And relax. Now we repeat the same with left leg. We now try to touch our right leg with our right hand. And relax. Next, we shall do Hastapadasana. This is also a part of Surya Namaskar. First we breathe in, bend our head backwards, then we breathe out and try to touch our feet. All the time we try to see that our knees are not bent, legs are straight. But we try to maintain this posture for 10 seconds. And relax. Again, now breathe in, bend your back and relax. Next we do Ekapadasana. This is extremely necessary for students. Students have difficulty in concentration, in focusing in their subjects. This is one asana that helps them in focusing, in concentration. So here we stand with one foot, rest the other leg on the thigh of one leg, hold our leg, try to concentrate on a point right in front of us and stay in this posture for 10 seconds. And relax. The third asana of the series is Pavan Muktasana. It is extremely helpful for students who spend long hours in sitting posture. As a result, gastric is a problem. This asana helps releasing all the gases accumulated in the stomach. It is two variants. First we shall do it in one leg, and then we shall do it with both our legs. So let's start. It is done in lying position. We shall lie on our back and do it. So we start Pavan Muktasana. First with one leg. Hold both your place, both your hands above your knee, and try to press your knee against your chest, and try to breathe normally all the time, and breathe out and try to touch your doors with your knees. And relax. Repeat the same posture with your right hand. Just a repetition. And relax. Now we do Pavan Muktasana with both our legs. First, bend your legs there, hold them above your feet, breathe out and try to touch your nose with your knees. And relax. This is Pavan Muktasana. The fourth asana of the series is Bhujangasana, or the serpent's posture. After long hours of sitting in the reading table, students do have some back pain, neck pain. To relieve one of this pain, the serpent's posture or the Bhujangasana is done. Here we lie on our stomach and with the help of our hands, bend our back backward like a serpent raises its fang to attack somebody. That is why it is called the serpent's posture or Bhujangasana. Let's do it. Here, breathe in, raise your head, bend your back and raise your head all the time, trying to look upwards and try to stay in this posture for at least 10 seconds. And relax. The fifth of the series is Uttana Padasana as well as Nokasana. Both are different asanas, but we shall show you both of them at the same time. Shati and my wife will be doing Ekapadasana. I will be doing Nokasana. For all the students in this lockdown period, in this corona period, when they do not have scope to go out to play outside, maintaining their body fat is a problem. It has been a problem for everybody, but for students it is a major problem. But these two asanas help you to relieve your stomach of extra fat. So let's do it. It is position, lying posture. We shall first lie on our back and do it. In Uttana Padasana, we lie on our back, breathe out and raise our legs above the ground. In Nokasana, we lie on our back, breathe out, raise both our hand and leg all at the same time. And we should try to stay in this posture for at least 10 seconds. Yoga is not just an exercise, it is way of life.
Hare Om Swasti na Indra Vedasravaha Swasti na Pokha Vishwavedaha Swasti nastaraksho Arishkaneme Swasti no Brihaspatardadhato Om Paya Pretivyam Paya Okhade Khupayo Divyantarikshe Payodhaha Payasvadehe Pradeshah Santo Mayam Om Vishnoraradamase Vishno Shnatristo Vishno Shurase Vishno Dhruvose Vaishnavamase Vishnavetva Om Madhurdevata Vado Devata Surjo Devata Chandrama Devata Vasavo Devata Rudra Devata Jitya Devata Maruto Devata Vishwe Deva Devata Brihaspatr Devatendro Devata Varuno Devata Om Chatvari Shringatrayo Asya Pada Dveshe Rekhe Saptahataso Asya Tridha Baddho Vrekhavoro Ravete Maho Devo Martyan Avivesha Namah Shambhavaya Chamayo Bhavaya Chanamah Shankaraya Chamayaskaraya Chanamah Shivaya Shivataraya Cha Adityauraditirantarikshamaditram Mata Sapita Saputra Vishwe Deva Adite Panchajara Aditarjatam Aditarjanitvam Dirgayutvaya Balaya Varchase Suprajasvaya Sahasa Ato Jiva Sharada Shatam Yo Shantirantare चक्षुः शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरौषधयः शान्तिर्वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वतो शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः 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 सुशान्तिर्भवतु सर्वारिष्टशान्तिर्भवतु श्रीरस्तु कल्याणमस्तु शुभम्।